Hi, I'm Deborah Prinzing with Slow Flowers, and you know I'm all about community. That's what motivates me. I'm here at the Team Flowers conference and that is so inclusive, so supportive, and really there for you, no matter what level you're at in the floral industry. So I'm motivated by it, and I encourage you to look into attending next year and in Waco, Texas, and be part of what's happening at Team Flower.
The amount of information that's available here just through with folks that you might have met online through community, or just people that you've never even met before who might be in your area that you might be able to collaborate with is just golden. There's not anything else that I've found like it.
Flowers are the kind of profession, no matter what sector you're in, that can be really isolating. So coming here, you meet a ton of other people who are just as flower obsessed as you are. And I think that was one of the biggest things I took away this week. Just knowing there's a group of people scattered all around the country who get it, and they're right there with you, and they are there when you need the support.
So I have had the most fun at this conference that I've had at any conference that I can remember. I'm a member of the Association of Specialty Cut Flower Growers, and I'm also the Southeast Region Director. So I'm responsible for putting on conferences, I attend them, I go to lots. And this was so different. It was so much fun. Kelly has a way of helping you learn a lot and have a great time doing it. So I've enjoyed all of my time spent with flower farmers and then also florists. I mean, there are people all across the industry here all coming together to help flowers.